Yo, what's up mga kabiyahe? Let's get ready to long ride. So for today's biyaheng bike mga kabiyahe, aahon kami sa Tagaytay. So easy, chill ride lang kasi may mga kasama tayong mga tropa na nahilig sa pagbibisikleta. Actually mga bago lang sila. And time check is 5:16 in the morning. So ang usapan namin 4:30 ang meet up, 5 AM ang ride out. Ano na? Hindi, joke lang. So ayan, kasama natin Master Randy. Ayun o, grabe. Tsaka si Master Gerald, ayun o. Mga taga-tagig pa tong mga to. Ang lalayo ng pinanggalingan. Hey, nandito na pala si tropa. Boss!
Nalita ko, boss!
Pambihira. Anong nangyari?
Di nagkalam yung salong ko. Yawa.
Ayan, si Master Christian. Asan si Kel?
Yun lang, hindi rin nagising.
Hindi mo na ginising?
Di na. Nag-chat sa akin kapag di daw siya nagising eh.
Oo. Nako Kel, sayang. Sayang ang pagkakataon. So, marami pa namang next time. Bawi ka na lang, ha?
Bawi.
So, ayun, magra-ride out na kami, mga kabiyahe.
Ingat, ingat.
Let's go. Time check, 5:22. So, from kalimutan na bigla. So from Shell, no, dun sa may tramo guys, eh dito kami dumaan sa Quirino Highway papunta ng Aguinaldo Highway. Tayo yung mga tropa, oh. Let's go. Time check 5:34. Nasa Las Piñas na kami. May tropa pala tayo na taga rito, malapit sa may Bamboo Organ. Shout out kay Master Dennis Velasco. What's up 5'9". Yan, 6'4" mo ako para ma-6'9 kita. 69. Time check 5:57. Pasok na kami ng Imus. Sirabuelo.
Rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high-heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, vice so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, vice so insane. Jealous of the clothing that
time check 6:31 AM. Kasama ko si Gerald. Dito na kami sa Palapala, Dasmariñas, Cavite. 30 kilometers na. Nire-regroup lang kami dito. Nire-regroup lang kami dito. Solid no?
In-ride nga.
In-ride. Ayun yung kanina yung nakaputi na tinutukan natin. Hindi na tayo nakipaghabulan. Imbis na makipaghabulan, ginawa naming dalawa, tinutukan na lang namin. O at least nakapag-conserve ng energy. Kaso nga lang, sila Master Randy at Master Christian medyo naiwanan, kaya kailangan natin hintayin dito para magkakasama pa rin kami sa Padyakan. Alright, so last 20 kilometers nasa Tagaytay na tayo. So ayun mga kabiyahe, dito na kami sa Silang Cavite. So time check 7:12 at nakaka 39 kilometers na kami. So more or less 10 kilometers nasa Tagaytay Rotonda na kami. So ito yung mga tropa natin, oh. Si Master Rancel. Bakit Rancel?
Pangalan ng bunsong anak ko yan.
Pero pangalan mo?
Randy.
Ayan, Randy Santiago. Tropa, grabe lakas. First time magtagaytay gamit bike.
Sobrang hirap pala. Gusto ko na lang magtagay kaysa magtagaytay.
Ayun. Ito mama mo, Master Gerald, oh. J. Ayun, oh.
Sarap na lang magtagay.
So ayun, dalawang naka mountain bike, isang naka road bike, at syempre yung gamit ko na gravel bike. Kakain lang kami mga kabiyahe, tapos tuloy tayo sa ating biyahe. Yan o, may tropa tayo, humabol, napakalakas.
Malakas na ang tama, Master.
Master Peter, oh. Grabe. Isang oras ang agwat namin yan, pero nahabol pa rin kami. Putik.
May matigas sa katalong isa.
Alayo
lang eh.
Wala na talaga.
Nabibitin.
Oo.
Nabibitin kasi nakasama niyo.
Ay, pagod na ako eh. May ano na lang, 1 to 1 to. Habulin boss.
Hindi ko kaya. Tatakong 20 lang, okay.
Thank you Lord. So ayun, time check mga kabiyahe, 8:23 AM. Nakaka 52 kilometers na kami at nandito na kami, approaching sa Tagaytay Rotonda. So almost 3 hours din na biyaheng bike from Pasay all the way here in Tagaytay. Ayan. Grabe, lalakas ng mga kasama ko. Buti kahit pa paano nakakapit ako. Wala kasi akong ensayo talaga eh, sa totoo lang. Ayun, oh. Grabe, congrats. Laki, oh. Sabi mo?
Survive!
Ha? Picture muna tayo dyan, oh. Oo. Doon tayo sa may truck ng pulis, oh. Okay, pasok. Magpipicture lang kami. So ayun, punta na kami ng Praying Hands. Silip kami sa road safety race. Grabe oh. Sulit na lang yung mga stick. So ayun shout out kay Master Joan. Ayan Ayan, kagrupo ko sa Halo Halo Bikers. Grabe, kumarera yan kahapon. Tapos nandito siya ulit ngayon. Ingat Master, ingat. Baka mo gusto kayo shout out?
Shout out po sa Halo Halo Bikers, tsaka po sa RM Cycling Group.
Yun, ingat. So ayun guys, tapos na kami mag-picture sa Praying Hands. Ito yung picture namin. Diba? Napakaangas. Tapos yan, pabalik na kami ng Tagaytay Rotonda. Itong mga kasama ko, hindi nila alam na bubudulin ko sila. Ngayon, ang senaryo, ito mangyayari. Kayayain ko sila bumaba ng Sampaloc. Ayan, kasi maganda yung view dun which is literally na maganda naman talaga. Then pagkatapos nun, pagtagumpay, pagbaba namin ng Sampaloc, yung paakyat naman, pabalik ng Tagaytay, doon ko sila idadaan sa Sungay. Let's go. Tara. Ayan, wala pa rin akong ensayo. Bahala na, damay na.
I wake up every minute with a fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Till until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact. 'Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
Mga kabiyahe, dito na kami. Dito tayo. May silipin tayo, may magandang view dito. Ha? Hindi.
Alam ko na, sa palok yan.
Kaya nga, di naman tayo akit dyan pagbalik eh.
Alam ko dito yung daan natin eh, tinuro mo ka.
Hindi ha. Sayang kasi andito na eh.
Puputulin mo kami.
Diyan asay pa tayo, boss.
Hindi naman tayo dyan akit pagbalik. May doon tayo dadaan sa medyo banayan.
Dito tayo, diretso tayo rin.
Ha? Oo, ganun din yun eh. Banayad lang yun. Tara. Oo nga. Kaya sayang kasi dito na tayo eh. Papalagpasin mo ba yung ano?
Ha?
Tara. Sayang eh. Tara una kayo. Videoan ko kayo. Una kayo para maganda yung lusong. Di, promise. Maganda dyan. Oo, maganda dyan. Oo.
Ang sabi ni Master Mike, patag lang daw.
Di na tayo babalik dyan. Kabila tayo dadaan. Shortcut.
Tagusan.
Oo. Una kayo. Para makapture.
The ultimate budol. Like that.
Sayang kasi dito na eh.
Okay lang magtulak, no?
Ha? Paano magtutulak? Puro
Budol pa rin sa 2025.
Puro lusong to. Ingat ha, ano yun, matarik na lusong to.
Puro luto.
Pitik-pitik lang ha. Ayun, ang ganda ng view. Di ba?
Ang view.
Una ka. Oh. Oh, pwede. Oh, picture kayo. Ayan guys ha. Success. Ang sunod dito, aakyat tayo sa Sungay, which is shortcut naman talaga kasi ang ahon dun is 7 kilometers, dito kasi 14 kilometers eh. So tara. let's do ayun o, nakita yun guys. Ang kalsada na yan, dyan tayo, lulusong tayo dyan. Ganda. Makikiran lang po. Thank you po. May mga ano pa rin ng landslide. Pitik-pitik mo lang, preno mo. Ibabad. Tingin sa camera. Ay, tayo galing oh. Naka-video yan. Kita kami. Sumangot oh.
Kasi na.
Hindi pa sasanay sa lusong din. Ingat lang ha. Flat ka? Flat ka?
Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh. Never stop, go get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never, and turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Ay, sus! Ikaw pa ba? Ayan o. Sulit talaga. Hanggang sulit sa view. Panalo.
Sa ahon.
Hindi, pagtaas na ito puro lusong na ulit.
Maniwala.
Oo nga, legit. Diyan lang yan sa may kanto. Pagliko.
Nadila ka na yata eh.
Lengal-lengal na ako eh. Pinipigilan ko lang eh, kasi nagbibideo ako eh. Ay, ingat ingat. Grabe ang bilis nun ah. Boss, ano pangalan mo? Ah, nginitian. Ay sus, tumayo pa oh. Bulin mo Kuya Randy. Abulin mo, lusong na yan, dyan lang yan oh. Bilis. Dito ka, counterflow ka dyan oh.
Pabudol.
Habulin mo! Habulin mo! Sabi, habulin mo eh. Bos patadok. Grabe. Ningal ako dun ah. Truck.
Kaya shortcut daw. Kasi parang ito yung ano eh, udol eh. Naramdaman ko na. Yun na. Ito na isa lamang ka na ano. Direct na oh.
Nakakon ka na dito?
Ako po. Ay.
Punta ka na dito di ba?
Punta ka dito dyan. Ha? Punta ka dito? Dito.
Totoo? Niwala.
Sungay. Naglaro ako sa sungay.
Dito?
Oo, dito. Puro lusong.
Hindi pa napunta dito?
Ah.
Maniwala.
Dito kami. Kaya ano, newbie lang ako.
Newbie.
Nag-training pa lang po ako.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what
when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.
Sir, may view. Ayan na po. Ingat po.
mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Ayan, malapit na tayo sa baba.
Ganda, di ba?
Punta na kami sa Shortcut. Shortcut lang kasi masakit yung isang palok pag aawin ka na. So ayun mga kabiyayan, dito na kami sa Barangay Santa Maria. So 300 or 400 meters na lang ay nasa kanto na kami ng shortcut. Kaso na latan si Master Peter. Ayan. Tamang remedyo muna. Motor.
So guys, ang tawag mo dyan, Master?
Ha? Shortcut. Ayan na guys, dito na kami sa paanan ng sungay, kaso walang tindahan. Pre, bili na kayo dyan oh. Bili na kayo. Doon. Targa muna kami guys bago kami tuloy ang umahon.
Okay, atayin na lang ako dyan, Master.
Sige. Pare, ito yung dalawang climber. Mauuna to sila for sure. Pero ako dahil wala ako ensayo, ayan, aalalayan ko na lang tong dalawang tropa.
Master, di ako climber.
Ha?
Di ako climber.
Climber ka?
Pangkainan lang ako.
Ah, iba yun eh.
Pangmukbang pala.
Ano, G?
Game.
Give, banat. Likod lang ako kasi para di nyo ako makitang tumukod. Diretso lang yan, walang lilikuan yan. Kaya nga sir eh. Ayan o, Banga Elementary School, Banga, Talisay, Batangas. Hello po. Nagpulasan na sa ahon guys. Katirika ng araw. Time check 11:19. Ayaw pa umangat sa 32 feet yung ano ko ah. Oh. Ayaw umangat, loko. Na sa 32C. Pwede na mag-relax. Pacing lang ako, hayaan ko sila mabilis. Mahalaga makaahon tayo ng hindi pagod. Nyari. Ihi. Sunod ka ha. Pits. Sunod ka. Ito yung isa sa mga pahirap ng ahon ng sungay eh. Ang init ng araw. One to lang guys. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakabalik dito. Huling ahon ko dito December, nung nag route 111 kami. Available din pala ito ha sa YouTube. Ayan. Pag natapos nyo panoorin to, pwede nyo panoorin yun. Ha. Ah. 7 kilometers of climb. Shortcut. Success naman, no? Success ang pambubudol. Damay-damay sa hirap ng pag-ahon dito sa Talisay. May ulit mga kabiyahe. Sakit to. 7% gradient. 8, 9, 10, 11, 14. Ayun yung gradient guys oh. 12.4, 11. Ayan. Sir. Layo na nila. Kataw si Kuya Randy ah. Hindi ko na makita ah. Kasi ako yung ensayo. Kaya relax muna. Kumbaga ito na kasi yung pinaka-ensayo ko para sa ride bukas. Biyahe ulit tayo bukas. Reverse Infanta Loop, o mas kilala sa tawag na reverse Batman Loop. Yan, magre-reverse Batman Loop ako bukas kasama mga tropa. Abangan nyo ulit yun. Pagtapos ko i-upload to, isusunod ko to, ay susunod ko yun. Master Christian, no? Birada. Karga. Gamit tayo ng pinagbabawal na teknik. Boss! Init. Yun lang yung matarik, wala na matarik dyan. Wala, yun lang yung matarik, Kuya Randy. Yun lang yung matarik. Oo. Sumunod dyan, mga sobrang tarik na. Oo. Ayan guys, oh. Ha. Init. Kaya nga eh. Recovery yan. Guys. Sayang ang bike. Tinutulak. Di wala na, recover na yan pagkatapos. Sayang ang bike. Ano?
Gago!
Hindi yan lang yan. Boss. Hintayin natin sila dito para may pahinga ako. Nako, sorry mga boss, mukhang napasobra yata yung budol ko.
Budol-dol. Ayos.
Boss, para ka ng tusino boss ah.
Ha?
Mumula ka na oh.
Eh, ganyan kami mga tisoy. Oo, kasi lumaki kami sa estate eh.
Ang ganda ng view, di ba?
Ganda ng view.
Ganda ng view.
Tamang tulak sa taal. Hayop na yan. Kawawa sa'yo.
Tara na.
Yung tricycle niya, nahirapan umakit.
Di, wala na eh, pagtapos na. Parang cloud 9 sumulong. Banahid na lang yan.
Alam boss.
Ayun, may tubigan dyan oh. Bili kayo, may tindahan din doon sa kabila.
Ano malamig ano? May buko ba dyan?
Meron.
Ha? Buko mo tayo.
Hey! Papaitak tayo doon na ako kumahon ah. Init talaga guys. Pero kaya naman. Dito silang dalawa. Boss, pwede magtanong, saan yung pabagyo dito?
Bagyo?
Ah, boss.
Baba ka ulit.
Ay, hindi dito. Aray ko po.
Pag dumilim yung langit, bagyo na.
Iba yun eh. Grabe. Nintay nila ako guys ha, partida. Nasa likod kasi ako eh. Naiiwan ako.
Ay, nalalayan namin.
Oo.
Kasi,
Buti na lang.
tunay
Yung mga tropa hindi nang iiwan.
Tama. Tama. Nambubudol lang, ano. Hindi nang iiwan, nambubudol lang. Nakalituloy ako sa... Eh, dami.
Iko yun oh, no? Dami na. Hindi lang nababalita. Ah, boss. Padyakan mo, boss. Sayang ang 30K. Ito may lilim.
Lusong na to. Lapit na.
Recovery. Recovery bahagya. Sarap. Tingnan natin sila. Ito, recovery, medyo lusong ng bahagya. Ayan, alam ko ito yung papuntang Arco eh. Ayan. Ito nga yun. Tapos nandito na rin yung masakit na ahonan. Ang sarap ng ahon. Ang sarap din ng lusong. Ayan. Mga cover lang. Bukas pala yung bag ko. Ngiting tagumpay. Ngiting tagumpay. Ay, wag mo persahin, loko. Andyan yung mahirap. Ayan na. 3 kilometers na lang. 3 kilometers. Ah, yun. Sarap, tigat yung ano, may hangin. Nawala yung kalsada. Oh boss, parang nanghina ka. yan, 1-2 lang. Nawala yung kalsada oh. Ah, yes, that's right. Hangin. Yeah. Push. Piga. Pigain mo.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Tayo natin sila guys. Last ahon. Kraus din. So yun mga kabiyahe, dito na tayo sa taas. Wait, time check, 12:41 PM. Ayan, 12:41. So nag-start kami umahon mga around 11. Anong oras ba yun? Ako tulog na oh. Segment lang ako doon. Ayan, sagad natin para sa segment dito. Alright. So ayun, hinintay na lang namin sila Master Christian at si Master Randy. So ayan o, ayan, bumili na rin kami ng pang merienda namin habang ayan, hinintay namin sila.
Bingo!
Bingo, baka naman.
Sarap.
Sheesh. Ayan. So ayun mga kabiyahe, nakapag-regroup na kami. Ayan, tatanungin natin unahin natin si Master Randy. Anong masasabi mo sa ruta ng Sungay?
Ayos! Parang ayoko nang bumalik.
Ayaw mo na ulitin?
Ayoko nang ulitin. Baka next 5 years na lang ulit.
After 5 years.
After 5 years.
Ano, si Master Christian?
Sarap pala maglakad dito. Malamig. Malamig pala maglakad dito.
Sabi ko magpa-bike tayo eh. Hindi maglalakad.
Akala ko lakad eh.
Pero ano, kamusta experience?
Experience. Anong sakit ng tuhod ko.
Mahirap no?
Sulit.
Ha?
Sulit yung ano.
Sulit yung lakad.
Sulit yung budol.
Hindi, ayun hindi budol yun. Ang tawag doon, gaining experience. Diba? Hindi budol yun, diba? Kasi pina-experience ko lang sa kanila kung gaano kasarap umahon sa sungay. Kaso ba?
Boss, hindi.
Ilan siko? Malapit dyan, ilan siko na lang.
Siko.
Sikuin kita.
Sisikuin na kita.
Lasiko na yan. Yung pala marami pa eh. So ayun guys, magra-ride out na rin kami kasi uwi pa kami. So bala ko sana dalhin sila sa Repal, kaso wag na daw eh.
Huwag na daw.
Wag na. So kung saan kami umahon, doon din kami bababa sa Aguinaldo Highway. So let's go. So ayun mga kabiyahe, babalik na kami ng Tagaytay Rotonda. Ayaw na nila mag-Repal eh. Ayan o. What a beautiful view. Ay wala na, takpan na. Ito mga kabiyahe oh. Wala, takpan na eh. Time check mga kabiyahe, 1:31 PM at nakabalik na kami dito sa Tagaytay Rotonda. Lusong na pauwi. Alright. So kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na to at umabot ka sa puntong ito, maraming salamat. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please click that subscribe button para sa mga biyahe bike ni Mike. Let's go!
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Every day, the past is where it stays, way back a year ago.